All right, so jumping straight into the first method that I'm going to talk about when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, which is by building a blog website. Now, most people believe that starting a blog is dead and it's not possible to do right now when it comes to making money online, when that couldn't be far from the truth. I've currently got a couple different blog websites that I'm building up. They're super simple, super easy to get started with, and they're also effective when it comes to making money. Now, the aim of the game when it comes to building a blog website is to get it ranked on Google, which isn't really difficult to do. And the reason why you want to do that is because Google is the most visited website in the entire world, which means that if you're able to rank for specific keywords that people are searching for, and you also insert suitable affiliate programs that person is going to want to buy, then of course your chances of being successful are going to be increased. But of course, I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about using one of my blog websites that I'm running at the moment. So I'm just going to type in a very popular search term, which is how to start an email newsletter business. And then I'm going to click on search. And if I just scroll down slightly, we're going to be able to see this website over here, successwithbusiness.com, and we're going to be able to see this article that I wrote maybe a month ago or so, and it's already ranked on the first page of Google. So if we just click into it, it's a very simple article where, of course, I'm breaking down the beginner steps of starting an email newsletter business. But the main thing that I want to show you, if I just scroll down over here, we're going to be able to see this section that says recommended email marketing softwares. And these are different ones that I'm personally using. And if someone clicks into any one of them, so if I click on this link over here, it's going to take the person directly to this one, which is Aweber, where they're going to be able to sign up. And if they decide to buy it, I'm of course going to be able to earn an affiliate commission. So that's a summarized version of how people are making money with blog websites, and getting started with it is not difficult. All you need to do is get hosting, which you can use something like Hostinger. You're going to be able to click the link down below and sign up today for a massive discount. And then you're going to be able to use WordPress for completely free and start the process of growing and scaling a blog site. But this now brings me on to the second way that people are doing affiliate marketing, which is by promoting their affiliate links on YouTube. So YouTube, for those of you that don't know, is actually the second most visited website in the entire world, which means that it's got a lot of potential when it comes to you being able to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And the good thing about YouTube is that there's a number of different ways that you can get started. You can either show your face on camera, like what I'm doing right now, or you can start a faceless channel. But similar to what I said with the blog website, the aim of the game is to target specific search terms that people are typing in to YouTube, and then from there you're going to be able to now present that person with an affiliate link that's going to be beneficial to them. And let me give you a quick example of exactly how this works. So if I just jump onto this affiliate marketplace over here, which is PartnerStack, it's one of the ones that I use. There's all of these different softwares and companies that you're going to be able to sign up to and start earning commissions. And as you can see, Fiverr is one of them. So I'm going to be able to sign up today, and I'm going to be able to earn up to $15 to $150 every single time someone clicks on my Fiverr affiliate link. But to show you someone that's practically doing this right now, if I just jump onto YouTube and type in Fiverr for beginners, straight away we're going to be able to see all of these different channels that are uploading content about Fiverr. But there's this channel over here that got over 600,000 views. And if I just click on her channel, it's not necessarily a big channel. She's definitely doing well, but it's not one of the bigger channels out there. But if I just click on the actual video itself, again, she was able to get over 600,000 views. And of course, in the actual description, she's got her Fiverr affiliate link. So when someone clicks into it and then they sign up to Fiverr, she's going to be able to earn an affiliate commission. So I'm sure that she's definitely been able to make a decent amount of income from this video, from the day that she uploaded it. And that's the reason why doing affiliate marketing can put you in a position of being able to earn a passive source of income. Even though she made this video over a year ago, she's still going to be able to earn money from it every single day. But swiftly moving on to the next way that people make money with affiliate marketing, which is with TikTok. So TikTok is not necessarily my recommended way of doing affiliate marketing, but it doesn't mean that other people out there aren't making a decent amount of income from it. TikTok is definitely a platform that's growing, which means that there is a lot of opportunity if you're able to create content specific for TikTok, and you know exactly how the algorithm works. And of course, I'm going to show you a practical example as to how people are doing this where they don't necessarily need to show their face on camera. So I'm going to use a affiliate program. Let's use this one over here, which is Notion. Now, Notion is a tool that I've not personally used myself, but it's really interesting because if we go over to Google Trends, as we can see, since 2004, no one was really searching for it because it didn't exist yet. I believe it came out around 2021. And from this point, that's when more and more people went onto Google to search for it. And that's why if I just jump onto TikTok on my iPhone and type in Notion in the search bar, there's of course going to be various different people that are showing exactly how Notion works. And there's this page over here that was able to get over 26,000 likes on this single TikTok. And just generally speaking, on her page, this is what she does. She posts faceless videos demonstrating exactly how Notion works. But if I just go to the link in her bio, as you guessed it, she's got a direct affiliate link to Notion right there so that when someone clicks into it and then they go through the process of signing up for a free account, as soon as they switch over to the paid plan, she's going to be able to earn a commission. But moving on to the fourth popular way that various different affiliate marketers out there are using that you can also use if you want to get to your first $1,000 and make that within 7 days, which is by using Google Ads. Now, with this method, of course, you're going to have a startup budget, and it's not necessarily organic like the other ways that I've shown you so far, but it can definitely speed up your results when it comes to getting traffic onto your site that can then lead to sales. And when it comes to using Google Ads, you don't necessarily need to spend a lot of money. You can have a low budget when you first get started. And there's so many different ways that you can use Google Ads. One of the ways is by using search ads. So for example, what people are doing right now is that they will target search terms just like this. So someone will go onto Google because they're interested in buying a laptop, but they're not sure of exactly which one they want to buy. So they might type in best laptop to buy and then click on search. And right here at the top, you're going to see something along the lines of sponsored, which means that this website has essentially paid to be in the Google search results. So they didn't necessarily have to go through the process of doing SEO, and they're going to be able to put their website in front of someone that's actively searching to buy a laptop right now. So when this person or the potential customer sees the site and they click into it, it's going to take them directly to this page where of course they're going to rank all of these popular laptops. But again, the interesting thing about this is that, as you can see, they've got all of these different links that will take the person directly to the product page. E.g., if I wanted to buy this Apple MacBook and I click on buy product, the person that owns the site doesn't have to buy the inventory. They don't need to sell the laptops themselves. It's going to take them directly to the Amazon page. And right now I'm in Dubai, and that's the reason why it's coming up with the UAE currency. But the point is the same. You're going to be able to do this in whatever country you're based in. Of course, all you need to do is go through the process of building your website and getting all of your articles on your site, which is going to take some work. But when it comes to signing up to the Amazon affiliate program, you just go over to the Amazon homepage just like this, scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see something along the lines of make money with us. And it should say associates program or affiliate program, something like that. And then of course, you're just going to have to click on sign up and follow through with the application. And then from there, you're going to be able to get a unique link for any one of the products that's currently available on Amazon right now. And this actually now brings me on to one of the final methods of doing affiliate marketing that I'm going to show you, which is to start a faceless YouTube channel. And from day one, you're going to promote affiliate links in your videos. And as you already know, there's so many different affiliate products that you're going to be able to promote. But similar to the previous example that I just showed you, where that person was promoting products on Amazon, you're going to be able to do the exact same thing with a faceless YouTube channel. And to show you exactly how this works, if I just jump onto YouTube using this incognito browser and just type in best laptop to buy and then click on search, instantly all of these different results are going to pop up where some people are showing their face, some people are using their voice, but there's channels just like this where no one's showing their face and they're using an AI generated voice, which you're going to be able to do if you wanted to. So let me just click into this video over here. So as you can see, this video was able to get over 500,000 views, which is a lot of views. And of course, in the description, they've got all of these different Amazon affiliate links. When someone clicks into any one of them, it's going to take that person directly to the product page. And again, videos just like this, you're going to be able to make yourself. As you can see, there's no person in the video throughout. There's so many different AI tools that you're going to be able to sign up to and make videos just like this within a few minutes. And if you want to watch a video that I made recently where I break down step by step exactly how you can get started with this particular method, I'm going to leave it over here or over here. Make sure you check that out straight after this. And if you also wanted to sign up to a completely free webinar where I go through all of the important things that I wish I knew before I was able to go from $0 to over $100,000 in profit with my first ever affiliate marketing business. This webinar is definitely going to help you out if you're a complete beginner. You're going to be able to sign up again for completely free by clicking the first link in the description. And don't forget to check out the other YouTube video that I mentioned by clicking the link over here. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.